Welcome everyone. In this series, we're going to build this job hunting application. It's a full stack application built using React, FastAPI, and MongoDB. So it has two perspectives. One is from the user, other one is from the admin. Now we are going to see the user web page. So it has a home page, about a section, and a job listing. So this is the home page. Now then we have about us, then the job listing. Here, multiple job will be listed. A user can go through each and every one of them, and you can just click any one. And yeah, with the job company, salary range, experience, location, with the job description, everything will be listed here. Then he can easily apply. If we apply to the button, it will automatically redirect it to the actual job posted. That is the official page or a career page of the company. Yeah. So this was it from the user side. Now we'll see how admin. So yeah, this was it from the user side. Now we'll see how admin panel works. So it's the admin side. Same thing, whichever whatever job is being listed in the user will also be there in the admin. uh, Admin can edit, admin can remove, admin also can create a new job. Suppose I'll change this. So Microsoft software engineer 2, I'll change the location from Bangalore to, suppose, Mumbai. Now if I make the changes, so yeah, the changes has been done successfully. Now if I go back, uh, if I see, it's been changed to Mumbai. Even it would have changed here also. From Bangalore, it's been changed to Mumbai. So yeah, admin, it's very quick. Admin can also create a new job. Suppose I'll create some job ID with a title like PHP developer. Company, I'll give XYZ, experience is 2 plus. Salary, let it be a location, suppose it's Pune. A description, just PHP, and application link. This. Suppose if I submit, a new job has been added. You can see the new job details, everything you can see here. Even it would have automatically updated the user's perspective. A new job has been added with everything. So yeah, this was about it. Uh, Both admin as well as user. Even admin can remove it. It's been deleted. You can see, even like I'll remove this one. Yeah, it's deleted. Even it would have deleted here itself, here also.